Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A11 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's tap on the version in the right upper corner and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Here we've got the information, so now we can go back to the general settings and enter additional settings. Now let's scroll down and enter developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can disable USB audio routing. Here we've got the surface update option. Here we've got the networking, etc. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the switcher on the specific option you'd like to apply, and it will be immediately activated. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top. And after getting back, you can see that the developer options will disappear from the additional settings list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build numbers tab and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.